Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making slime. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need glue, water, and detergent, which today I'm going to be using Downy. Oh. And so now you're going to add your glue. Okay, we're just going to work the faster way. You really need like fill out.
No, that's not. Mom, that's not for her. That's for grown-ups to do. You.
What is on your arm?
A tattoo.
Who did that?
Aubrey. Mom, I don't know how to get this off here.
I'll get it off.
Mom, here I wanted one of those, Mom. What are these called?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
These are pineapple pins. Mom, these are pineapple pins. Pineapple pins.
Apple pin. Pineapple apple pin.
Where'd you put your apple?
It's in there. I ate half of it.
Bring it in here and throw it in the trash so you don't get in trouble by me. You're in trouble.
She just had a pin on my apple. A pin on my apple. Here it is.
Okay, so I'm just going to keep on.
Okay.
Okay, so what you're going to do now, add more glue.
Ew!
You ready for my Grayson?
One more stickiness.
You got glue everywhere.
In my cup, but yeah. We're just going to keep on kneading this.
Sorry, Mom. Mommy, on another pineapple pin.
My arm
I
hurts.
thought it was put up. Mommy, I thought it was put up, Mom. No, I thought it was.
This is kind of like a bog.
Mommy,
I've been
I thought
doing it all day.
Get your cup and let's get you in it.
Okay, so now I can see what I'm doing now.
Mom, can I go cut me, please? Mommy, I'm so excited.
Okay, and I'll be right back. I gotta get toothpaste. Owie. That hurt.
Hey, this is my fist. Thank you. What's this?
Well, here's a microwave.
Squishy the fiber. Mommy, she's gonna get in bad trouble.
Yep, she is. She just doesn't listen.
She doesn't listen. Oh no! Mommy, it melted. Look, Mom, see?
It's very bad. Guys, I'm just gonna take this somewhere else where there's no family around because the bathroom is the bestest place because then it's more. There we go. And there's more room to do my slime part. Right now, I just got some toothpaste. Okay, so I'm just gonna shut my door and just like this, and like get this out. Okay. It's kind of weird, guys. what I might have. But, I mean, it kind of works, okay? You're just going to stir it together. It helps it knead together better. Okay, so now I'm using this, guys. You can see, because it's like way, like, I don't know how to say it, but it's way like super slimy and stuff like this. And it's super like, I don't know, it's just super sticky. It's like sugar. And my slime is going to be a turquoise color. You guys can see that. It looks blue to you. Oh, fudge. Okay guys, so I'm about to have to get in the shower. That's bad news. And then like, I already made a different batch for more. I'm just gonna keep on eating that. And then I'm gonna want some of this. I just put that in. Guys, it has like a bunch of sparkles in it for some reason. I'm gonna have to end the video soon, so I will video another thing tomorrow if I can. Possibility I have a basketball game. Okay, and so now I'm just gonna put this in the fridge and I'll be back. Freeze it. So I'm gonna have to end the video here because it's 9 o'clock. So yeah, and I am staying up late because I got school in the morning. Everybody knows that. Okay, bye-bye. I'll video the thing after school tomorrow. Bye-bye.